Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you the Newton's divided difference formula, and this point is the Newton's forward and backward. After that points, so the syllabus is Newton's divided difference formula. So last class we have discussed about Newton's forward and backward interpolation formulae and examples like, and now so means today we have to I have to teach you Newton's divided difference formula. So that is Newton divided difference, which means DD, means first DD, second DD, like DD means divided difference. So what is formula is divided difference formula. Y is equal to means f of x, y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught comma x1 in terms of x naught comma x1 only, means next number x minus x naught is there, this is x naught comma xn plus x comma x naught into x comma x1, and this is x naught x naught x x1. Here three values are there, that is f of x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught x minus x2 x minus x2 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus so on, and the last nth term is f for means sorry x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus xn minus 1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma up to so on xn. So this is the formula. This is Newton divided difference formula. Here also we have to prepare one table, that is the divided difference formula, and x is equal to x naught plus x values are x naught, x1, x2, x3 up to so on xn. These are also given values. Similarly, f of x value, f of x means y value, y is equal to f of x, y values are f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, f of x3, like so on up to f of xn. So these two columns are given, and first we have to next we have to find first divided difference, second divided difference, third divided difference, like that. And first divided difference is f of x naught comma x1. So how we can find f of x naught comma x1 is f of x1 minus f of x2. Okay, and here is there f of x naught comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x2 divided by x1 minus x naught. X1 minus x naught means here just you can see here f of x naught comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. And this is first divided difference, and second one is f of x1 comma x2. F of x1 comma x2 is f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1, and f of x2 comma x1 means f of x2 comma x3 means f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2, these two values, and so on. Here for example, f of xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 2, f of xn minus 1 f of x1 xn minus 2 means f of xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 2 divided by xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 2, like that. So this is the first divided difference value, and similarly second divided difference values are f of x naught comma x1 comma x2, and this second divided difference means, so here we have to find f of x1 comma f of x2 minus f of x naught comma f of x1 by divided by x2 minus x naught, and similarly f of x1 comma f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3, f of x1 comma x2 comma x3 is f of x2 f of x2 comma x3 minus f of x1 comma x2 minus x3 minus x1, so like that. So just you can subtract these two values and so on. For example, f of xn minus 2, xn minus 1, and xn value is f of xn minus f of xn comma f of xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 1 in comma xn minus 2. So once again, f of xn minus 1 comma f of xn minus f of xn minus 1 comma xn minus 2 divided by xn minus 2. So find the divide difference value. The next value is this value minus this value, and it is x3 minus x3 minus x0, and this is the third divided difference value. So just you can take here, these are the formulae. So what is f of x0 comma xn, like that. And for example, here is there f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma xn divided by x2 minus x0, and this is the value. The next one is f of x1 comma x2 comma x3 is f of x2 comma x3 minus f of x1 comma x2 divided by x3 minus x2, like that. So this is the Newton divided difference formula. Okay, so now example is, so Newton divided difference formula is, construct the interpolation polynomial for the data given below using Newton's general interpolation formula for divided difference, and hence find y at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 9. So this is fine. We have to find here x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 9. In that value is, we have to find what is y value is this value. 3 means, for example, in between 2 and 4, 3, that answer is in between 10 and 96, and x is equal to 9 means that that is in between 8 and 10, 9 value. The answer is 868 and 1746 in between these two value. So first we have to prepare this table. The divide difference table is, so x0 2 4 5 6 8 10 is given, and f of x is also given. These all the values are also given here. And first divided difference, that is 96 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to 43. Second one is 196 minus 96 divided by 5 minus 4 is 100. Simplify this one, subtract these two and divide this, you get 100. And next one is 350 minus 196 divided by 6 minus 5, this is 154. And next one is 868 minus 350 divided by 8 minus 6, you get 259. And last is 1746 minus 868 divided by 10 minus 8, you get 439. This is the first divided difference value. Second divided difference value is 100 minus 43, 100 minus 43 and divided by 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. So second one means you can reject the middle value, so take x2 minus x0 means 5 minus 2. And next one is, the second divide difference is 154 minus 100 divided by 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. The next one is 259 minus 154 divided by 8 minus 5. The next is 439 minus 259 divided by 10 minus 6. So this is the second divided by second divided differences. And third divided difference is 27 minus 19 divided by 6 minus 2. This is third, means you can neglect the middle two values 4 and 5, you can neglect 6 minus 2. Next is 35 minus 27, 35 minus 27 divided by 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 means neglect these two values. Next is 45 minus 35 divided by 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5. You get the, after simplification, the all the values are, you get 2, 2, 2. For example, fourth divide difference is 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 divided by, you can neglect here 3 means 8 minus 2 divided by 8 minus means 2 minus 2 is 0 numerator, 0 divided by something is 0. Similarly again it is 2 minus 2, that is also 0, 0 minus 0 is, the next table is 0. So now we can stop the only third divide difference, because the all values are same, because subtract 2 minus 2 is, next value is 0, 0, and we can stop the here only. Next we can apply the Newton divided difference formula. We have the formula NDDF. NDDF means Newton divided difference formula. The formula is y of f of x is equal to, y is equal to f of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus so on. So now take these two values. So f of x is equal to 10, means f of x naught is how much? F of x naught is 10. This is f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, like that. F of 10 and x is, we don't know x, means x minus, what is x naught value here? 2 is there. X naught value is 2 is there, so you can take x minus 2 into f of x naught comma x1. F of x naught comma x1 is how much is there? 43. So you can write here 43. Same, x minus 2, x minus 4 into the, what is next value is 19. Next value is 19. So next x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 4, next value is 2. This value is, this is 2. So you can consider these three values. So this is 3. Then after simplification we get one polynomial equation, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4, and this is put. So we have to find x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 9. Put here 3. F of 3 is 38. Put 9, x is equal to 9, we get 1256. So see here, the x is equal to 3 value is 38. Just we take up and the question is in between 3 is 2 and 4. The answer is also in between 10 and 96. Answer is how much? 38. Then 1256, this value is in between 868 and 1746. In between the value is there, because our question is 9 is in between 8 and 10. Answer is also in between these two values. So this is the Newton divided difference. And similarly second question is also, fit an interpolating polynomial for the data u10 is equal to 355 and u0 is equal to minus 5 and u8 is equal to minus 21, u1 is equal to minus 14, u4 is equal to minus 125 by using Newton's general interpolating formula, and hence find u2. Here values are random is there, u1 and u0, u1, you have to find u2. Okay, u2 fine, and u3 is not given. Next u4 is there, u5 is also not given, u10 is there. So that is 0, 1, 4, 8 and 10. Here x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, these are the u values. Corresponding these u0 is, for example, u0 is minus 5, u1 means u1 is how much? Minus 14. Next u2 is unknown and u3 is not given. Next u4 is minus 125. The next one is u8, this is u8 is minus 21, u10 is 355, this value is 355. So using these values, similarly method you can apply. Those just you can prepare this table. The next apply the formula and substitute the value, you get one polynomial equation. In this equation you can substitute u2, 2 means x is equal to 2 we can substitute and you get minus 45. All the examples are same, it is continually same. So how more examples are there in your WhatsApp group, PDF notes is there, just you can take the and practice the more examples. Okay, thank you.